Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, we are here at Shinjuku. And this is one of the busiest kind of city here in Tokyo. Yeah, and yeah, I arrived here yesterday. But yeah, I just walk a little bit around and then I stay in the hostel doing some computer works. I sleep and then I woke up again at 1 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, because I saw some articles that this place is actually very busy at night. I was already late because 1 o'clock I get down here, walk around, and there's a lot of people but not so much. And I noticed that there's actually a lot of pictures of men, in the billboard kind of advertisement. Also women kind of advertisement also. And then I checked online, why is it? And then it says that it is because this is like the entertainment capital of Japan. Basically for male entertainer. So it means I feel like a lady need to get inside the bar or the pub and to have a conversation with the men inside. That's what I think. I'm not really sure. I also had the dinner here around 2 o'clock early in the morning. They are open 24 hours. I did not really like the rice with chicken that I had. Not going to order that again. Actually, last night while walking around, of course, different nationalities, and also there are a lot of African. They are approaching me and offering ladies, something like that. Not necessarily ladies, but they are inviting me to get into the inside the pub. That's how I understand. But I said no. I was approached several times. There are also some women approaching people. I was also approached asking if I want massage. Oh, nice. This bicycle in here is safe. There is lock. Nice. And you need to pay here to be able to use that. I have no plan today. I'm just going to walk around. But first what we're going to do is to have a breakfast. I am tempted to come in here. Look at this. This is just a 500 yen. A rice and a soup. But I want to be sitting nicely. The seat that they have in there is the one that is facing, one single seat, the one that is facing to the people preparing the food. I don't like those. Today is Sunday, so I feel like it is going to be really busy, very busy. The road and the sidewalk later. Oh, and here again, they have affordable food. When I say affordable, less than $10. When it is less than $10, it is going to be 860 yen, 700 yen, 900 yen. I actually like this one. This one is kind of fritters. Maybe prawn fritters, not sure. Oh, last night what I had also, aside from the chicken rice, is fried eggplant. I like it. Oh yeah, I'm going to eat this one. And then I will have a coffee later somewhere else. That's what I'm going to do. And that was my breakfast. Chicken rice and soup, noodle soup. And it's actually very tight inside, it's squeezing. Very much sitting next to each other. And so I got the food and I put it on my table. And then later on, I heard a guy, he said, here's your water. Something like that. And then I look and I realized that it's not a waiter, it's not a food server, not employee of the restaurant. He's actually one of the guests that came after me. He gave me water, very nice. And usually in a situation like that, yeah, all I can do is to say thank you. Yeah, I don't know how to start a conversation in a situation like that. I feel like I'm going to be intrusive if I ask something. Yeah, that's just me for sure. It is normal for more people to ask questions, but yeah, I feel intrusive, being intrusive to ask question. That's why usually in a conversation, yeah, I say something that is something about around, yeah, something about the place or something about me. But yeah, I'm always hesitant to ask question about the person. And one thing I noticed about that guy is his fashion sense. Yeah, the quality of his blazers really looks expensive. Yeah, Suzuki Jimny. I thought before Suzuki Jimnys, they made it especially small. And then when I saw most of the cars here in Japan are actually, yeah, small. The same length of the Suzuki Jimny. Even a bun style, yeah, same length. I really appreciate that guy gesture, giving me a water to drink. So basically, he took water for himself and then took also another one for me. Oh, Starbucks. Yeah, we're going to have a coffee here. But a lot of people, lots of people. Let's observe first. Yeah, there's really a lot of people doing their computer things, people reading. Yeah, busy. There's a lot of people here. They're waiting. I think they're going to watch the movie because this place is actually a cinema. Probably too early. And so they are just standing by here waiting for that cinema to open. Aside from Starbucks, this brand of coffee shop, cafe actually has become one of my place to go. Yeah, they have a friendly environment. Yeah, and food option, affordable, basic. There's actually Starbucks over there near the cinema. There is Dotor here. And then I see there's another Starbucks over there. So we're going to have a coffee here. Yes, we are in Starbucks. Yeah, people are having their computer, having their coffee. Yeah, and yeah, the guy over here, he just left and went to the toilet with all his phones, gadgets, and stuffs. Yeah, he feels very safe, secured. I was inside the Starbucks for maybe 1 hour and a half. I was just there having a coffee and a donut. Yeah, and I'm also watching the people, observing the people inside. And I'm actually impressed with one of the service crew, one of the staff at the Starbucks because she speaks good English. She even asked me some questions about why I have this thing, if I'm content creator or something like that. Yeah, I said yes. I still have a few days left here in Tokyo, and yeah, I stayed already on Otsuka, which is a very nice place for me. And then currently here in Shinjuku, yeah, which is not, I would say, not really the cleanest. We are here at Shinjuku station, and I noticed that this is not the cleanest place here in Tokyo. Yeah, you see those garbage, ticket, plastic bottles, tin can. Oh yeah, all around the place. There's a big possibility that this place was busy last night. Oh, look, the police is coming. There is no sound, just lights. What they want. And very slow. And it looks beautiful. Or maybe they are just telling, yeah, we are here, but we are not in a rush. We're not in a hurry. I can now feel some droplets. Yeah, maybe it is going to rain. Hopefully not, because I don't have umbrella. Oh, that guy in red actually approached me. Yeah, because he knows. Yeah, because I'm very also much looks like a tourist. Yeah, and so he approached me. He's asking me, yeah, about where are the ladies to see. Yeah, I understand what he's talking about. Yeah, and so I show him the way. Oh, there's IKEA. Nice. Not the biggest IKEA. Oh, in case you don't know, the biggest IKEA is actually in the Philippines. Yeah, I expect to be crossing with a lot of people when you are here in Tokyo. I actually bought a knife. Yeah, Kiran asked me to buy a knife for him. I also bought a pillar. I'm making sure that it is made here in Japan. Yeah, lots of beautiful, surprising places here. And I was actually coming from inside. The name is Hans. Yeah, kind of a department store. It's beautiful. I mean, lots of good choices. They are also affordable. Like what I said, I don't have any plans of buying things. Yeah, but I keep on looking for a cup. Also knives. And something that is I can use for my camper van. We are going to the other side. The other side, if I'm not mistaken, is also a shopping center. Yeah, because inside here is a train station and a shopping center too. Oh, actually, no need to go to that flyover or overpass. Yeah, there is a pedestrian here. Oh. I actually really enjoying this window shopping, just browsing. Yeah, because these are no, not Australian, but mostly actually are Japanese brand. Yeah, I did not see any imitation place. Yeah, on the higher floor of this shopping center, actually have this several restaurants. Yeah. I actually stay here in this Detour coffee shop. Yeah, I spent 900 yen for iced coffee and kind of chicken sandwich. It is now 5:29. Yeah, a little bit rainy, but I don't know, it's actually getting heavy, the rain. I don't have a raincoat. Yeah, it is already 5:29. You see the oh no. Yeah, you see all the lights already on. Probably all these people, before leaving home, they check the weather forecast, and so they decided to bring umbrella. Oh wow, very colorful over there. Yeah, nice. Yeah, raining. It's good to see that this is. Yeah, it's really good to see people having all this umbrella. It's good in the video. I'm okay not having umbrella. It's really amazing. You never seen something like this in other countries. Yeah, people maybe are running or they will not walk in the rain. Oh, according to the articles online, that the Uniqlo here in Japan is cheaper than other countries. Yeah, that's because Uniqlo is based here in Japan. And maybe you are thinking about the electronics like Sony and other popular items, popular products. Yeah, they are actually not necessarily cheap here. Same price like the other countries. But the watches like Seiko watches, G-Shock, yeah, they are affordable here.